Actually, the research is on the role of monarchy. King, because Malaysia is based on the constitutional monarch government. We have a parliament system, but still based on the monarchy, constitutional monarchy. So we have 9 kings in Malaysia, and then 9 rulers, and every 5 years there will be, among the king will be appointed as the king of Malaysia. And then we have also parliamentary system, and then elections will be held every 5 years to form a government. So in the case of Sabah actually is part of the 14 states in Malaysia. We have 14 states like Selangor, Terengganu. Sabah and Sarawak is located in the East Malaysia, or the Borneo Island. So why I choose this topic? Actually, recently, Malaysia's political a bit unstable due to the changes in government. Because for the past 5 years, it is difficult for a party, one single party, to win with a 2/3 majority. So they have to combine a few political parties to form a government. So once the combinations of political parties is formed, so the king will grant this political alliance to form a government. So that's also happened to Sabah state political system. We also facing a very difficult a very difficult situation where recently it's difficult for one single party to win with a 2/3 majority. So they need to combine with a few parties to form a state government. And then this is the role of our TYT. TYT in full name means Tuan Yang Terutama. That's in bahasa Malay language.
Okay.
But if it is translated into English, it is kind of governor.
Okay.
Yeah, governor. Okay. Then this governor or TYT represent our kings. Or in Malay we call Agung. Okay. So they will take care of the political stability in Sabah to ensure political stability is maintained, to ensure the appointment of chief minister will be implemented smoothly. That's the role of the monarch in TYT or governor in Sabah. This is about the role of the monarchy in Sabah state government. Yes, especially during the political crisis, when then there's no one single party can win with a 2/3 majority. Yeah.
Okay, yeah, that was really inciting for us. Yeah. So coming on to the next question. So what were the challenges that you have faced throughout your research journey?
Okay, challenges. Yes, of course, because this is a political issue. So some data a bit difficult to get because it involves interview with the politicians. Yeah. But I think we're very grateful because we received good cooperation from a number of politicians who want to be interviewed and to air their opinions just to improve the system, the political system in Sabah. Okay, challenges, yes, of course, because this is a political issue. So some data a bit difficult to get because it involves interview with the politicians.
Yeah.
But I think we're very grateful because we received a good cooperation from a number of politicians who want to be interviewed and to air their opinions just to improve the system, I mean the political system in Sabah. And then the other one is, of course, lack of scholarly written articles in journals,
Yeah.
because sometimes this issue is overlooked especially by local researchers. Sometimes they just focus on the history of Sabah, but not, and then on the political system, but not on the role of monarchy, because it is commonly believed that monarchy institution in Malaysia as well as in Sabah is kind of ceremonial functions. But in fact, this monarchy has some fundamental roles to play. That's kind of challenges that we are facing during the research.
Fine. Yeah.
I think I mean, our team receive a boost or motivation from our university.
Okay.
The university grant us some kinds of research grant,
Okay.
to do the research. So we receive full support from the university. But apart from that, it is also difficult to get fund from outside, because I'm not sure whether the sponsors they are interested in our topic, because it is monarch issues. Now look at the United Nations, for instance, they focus on sustainability goals, right? SDGs. There's nothing about the role of monarchy, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Even in Europe, we can't see the role of monarchy is what they call proposed. Promoted. Otherwise, there's still few countries who still have the monarch system. For instance, Great Britain, Canada. I think this kind of institutions should be promoted because they still have the role to play.
Yeah.
For as the mediate between the government as well as the people.
Yeah.
I think if Eurasia can give us some fund, then it will be good for us in the future. For the young researchers, especially those who are really interested in pursuing the academic career, I think they should start with the kind of what they are really focused on. For instance, if you are really interested in politics or in economics or environment, so you have to focus on certain discipline. And then after that, you develop your expert and then expand your networking. I think this kind of having participate in seminar like Eurasia, right? It's
Yeah.
very good. It's a good platform to widen our networking with the researchers from all over the world. So I think for the young researchers, first they have to find their own interest. Second, they have to focus, and then third, to expand their networking, not only at the state level or local level, but as well as at the international level. That's my advice. I think first of all, thank you very much
Yeah. You're most
for
welcome.
accepting my paper. Actually, our research team paper. Second, I think your organizations of the seminars is, for me, it's really satisfying. I'm really satisfied with your organization. It is structured well, and then there's not so much technical problems. Very smooth during our presentation, but probably people a bit not so active during the Q&A. Because probably the challenge when we having an online seminar, right? But I think the rest is perfect, and I think keep up the good one. what is you having today? Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Congratulations.